Students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BSc B.Ed ZBC 5th semester. BSc B.Ed ZBC 7th semester. We will discuss the topic testing device in guidance, meaning, definition and measurements of testing device. Instruments and techniques used in guidance. Instruments are methods used in statistics. A device used to collect scientific data. Techniques, any systematic methods to obtain informations and a methods that involves skills. Tests are not only tools and techniques used by the teachers or a counselor to collect information about an individual. How are tests useful in schools? To determine the patterns of growth and rate of development of the individual pupils. Second, to classify children with reference to their ability to profit from instructions. Next, to identify the extremes deviates who may needs special study and provisions. Next point, student diagnosis causes of underachievements or academic failures. To provide information which may be used for admissions, classifications and special studies. And to help the counselors in education and vocational counseling of secondary and tertiary level students. Okay. And next, to help the counselee understands himself and accepts what is the best for him on the basis of best result obtained. Next one, to provide a basis for the conference with parents and are significant others about the abilities, achievements, growth and school adjustment of their children. Next points, to gain obtained objectives data about the individuals in addition to informations obtained from interviews, self-reports and other sources. How are tests useful to the counselors? Disclosures of capacity and potentiality as well as diagnosis of exceptional clienteles for referrals to specialists among those with deficiencies and abbreviations. The objectives aspirals of personality for better understandings and self-direction for the individuals himself. The accurate comparisons of individuals' performance with the performance of others, improved basis of predictions as to likelihoods of sources in any activity in which prospective performance can be measured and compared. Evaluate of personal characteristics in relation to characteristic required for educational and occupational performance. And assessment of the child's ability at the beginnings and at the end to determine gains made and still remains to be done. What are some major errors in the use of psychological test? Administering test incorrectly and making sweeping generalizations from test results. Next, using the appropriate test for a purpose to be served is another. How are tests classified? Test for general intellectual levels, test for special populations, personality test and projective test. Okay, thank you students.